30 days from now, there will be two types of girls. The first one stays the same. Same habits, same energy, same complaints, same lifestyle. And the second becomes unrecognizable. A leveled up woman with glowing skin, healthier hair, a sharper mindset, and a completely different energy. POV. You choose the soft girl upgrade instead of doom scrolling at 2 a.m. Let me ask you something. Which version will you be when 2026 arrives? The girl stuck in the loop? Or the girl everyone looks at and whispers, "Wait, is that really her?" Today, I'm giving you a complete 30-day transformation guide. Simple, realistic, and designed for visible results. Not a glow-up that takes a year, a glow-up that takes 30 days. Before we start, take a slow breath. This transformation isn't about perfection. It's about becoming aware of your choices, your habits, and your energy. Treat your body like a garden. You can't bloom if you keep feeding yourself things that drain your glow. Eat clean, whole foods, lean protein, healthy fats, real fruits and vegetables, and water, a lot of it. Not magic pills, just water. Your skin after drinking water consistently. Oh, so we're glowing now? Okay. Avoid overly salty snacks. They make you bloated, puffy, and tired. But don't restrict yourself too harshly. Eat your pizza slice. Enjoy your chocolate. This challenge is about resetting, not suffering. Every morning, drink a tall glass of cold water. Move your body for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't check your phone for the first 10 minutes. Your brain needs peace, not chaos. Move your body daily. Even 30 minutes in your room changes your mood, your confidence, and your skin. Working out isn't about losing weight. It's about shifting your energy. A real glow-up has one secret. Consistency, not 20 products. Cleanse gently. Moisturize. Use sunscreen. Exfoliate once a week. Use pimple patches when needed. Stay hydrated. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Sleep is free Botox. Don't waste it. For extra glow, remove facial peach fuzz once a month. Apply a few drops of jojoba or argan oil. Rinse with cold water to reduce puffiness. No harsh products. No copying other people's routines. Listen to what your skin needs. Your hair can make or break your glow up. Healthy hair adds instant femininity. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Use a clarifying shampoo weekly. Use a gentle shampoo daily if needed. Apply a weekly hair mask. Use jojoba or rosemary oil. Avoid heat. Trim your split ends monthly. Your hair after 1 month of oiling. Main character has entered the chat. Try a flaxseed gel mask. Natural, cheap, shiny results. Add sea salt spray for soft texture. The goal is healthy softness, not dry, overstyled hair. Hygiene changes everything. Pretty girls smell good, clean girls shine differently, soft girls pay attention to details. Shower daily. Moisturize your body. Choose one signature perfume. Clean your tongue every morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Keep your nails clean. Tidy your eyebrows lightly. Exfoliate your lips weekly. Apply lip balm during the day. Your crush when you walk by smelling good. Buffering. These details aren't small. They shape your presence. The way you smell, move, and carry yourself quietly elevates your energy. Most glow-ups fail because the girl changes her body, but not her mind. For the next 30 days, read something positive for 10 minutes. Journal or brain dump for another 10. Clean your space for 5 minutes a day. Spend 30 minutes off your phone before bed. Say no to draining people. You become unrecognizable when your energy becomes calmer, stronger, softer. Make small lifestyle tweaks. Dress a little better, even at home. Add simple jewelry. Keep your room clean. Stop doom scrolling. Walk with your shoulders back. Speak slower and softer. Your feminine energy grows when your environment grows with it. If you follow these steps for the next 30 days, you will become unrecognizable. Not because you changed everything, but because you finally decided to take care of yourself. And when 2026 arrives, people won't say, "New year, new me." They'll say, "New year, who is she?" You are one decision away from the version of you you've been dreaming about. Start today. Start now. Your 30-day transformation begins the moment this video ends.